Hello, good evening. I will discuss my final project in theology. And let's start. The phrase, the family is a church in the home. A church in a miniature or domestic church is a striking image, but one that cannot be taken lightly. One can appreciate a family as a primary conserving and nurturing unit of a child. And this perspective of a family goes beyond just being a social unit. It is rather the portrayal of living faith, value, education, and community interaction, just like church. Being the firstborn child of a family comes with various responsibilities that may put one in the position of leadership. This could be instantly influenced by concept of the church in the home. How so? Because my parents may have raised me to be the one to model faith and God behavior to my younger sibling. For instance, an up may be when you lead to prayer in the family or ask your sibling to take part in the family devotions, which bring families togetherness and communal spirituality. On the other hand, on down may present itself in instances of conflicts such as fights with my siblings or my pressure of having us at to always bear the responsibility of doing. That's all. Thank you.